Hi, my name is Sabrina Cota, and I will be giving a presentation on UDL principles. So what is UDL? Universal Design for Learning, or better known as UDL, is a way to think about teaching and learning that gives the opportunity for all students to succeed equally. Using UDL gives students different resources to access the material and to engage with the material. UDL is a framework to help develop lesson plans and assessments. The way to do this is by using 3 different principles: engagement, representation, action, and expression. Engagement: purposeful and motivated learners. UDL encourages teachers to look at different ways that they can help motivate their students in the classroom. Some examples are giving real-life problems for the students to solve, providing different reading examples, different types of backgrounds, different families, and different cultures, so every student feels heard inside the classroom. Representation: resourceful and knowledgeable learners. UDL recommends that teachers provide information in more than one type of format to help strengthen their learning abilities. Some examples are, instead of just giving a reading assignment, you can offer different ways to do that assignment, such as giving a textbook, having the students listen to audio, having them watch a video, doing hands-on learning. This way, all students are able to learn in the best way for them. Finally, action and expression. Strategic and goal-directed learners. UDL suggests that teachers give the students more than one way to interact to show what they have learned about the material. For example, instead of just giving a test, you can give the test in 3 different options, such as paper and pencil, oral, or group project. Traditional versus universal design for learning instructions. Traditional learning is the teacher teaches one way. The students are expected to memorize, practice, and take a test about the material taught. Students are expected to sit quietly and work on the work given. Students' knowledge is only tested one way. While UDL, the teachers teach in multiple different ways. Students are active learners who engage and analyze the material. Students have the ability to explore the classroom to finish work. Students' knowledge is tested by demonstrating their skills in many different ways. Now, this is an image of what a traditional classroom looks like and what a UDL classroom looks like. There is a big difference in the way that it looks. How will I use this as a future teacher? As a future teacher, I will be able to use UDL to help guide my classroom in the most effective way possible. My goal is to help my students take in the information being taught in the most effective way for them. The way I'll be able to do this is by engaging them in my class by using effective materials. I will also be able to do this by giving real-world examples for the students to relate to. And finally, I will be able to do this by giving diverse ways for my students to get involved in my teachings. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation.